Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of security data, desperately needing to spot the needles in the haystack to protect your organization effectively? If that rings a bell, then this chat is just for you, my friend. We'll be diving into the deep end of Microsoft Sentinel, exploring how to query, visualize, and monitor that vast trove of data, securing our shores from any looming threats. And just before I take my virtual bow, make sure to keep an eye out for my talk Mastering Data Querying, Visualization, and Monitoring in Microsoft Sentinel for Enhanced Security Operations, coming soon to techlab.com, and don't forget to hit subscribe. In the realm of security operational excellence, Microsoft Sentinel shines as a beacon. Microsoft Sentinel, or as some like to call it, Microsoft Defender for Identity, is the enterprise-grade, cloud-native CM and SOA service from Microsoft Azure. It's the cornerstone for security operations today, especially when we're dealing with multi-cloud environments and the hybrid cloud infrastructures that are becoming the norm. And what makes it stand out is how effortlessly it integrates various data sources and tools, delivering comprehensive security intelligence in one place. The first thing to understand in Microsoft Sentinel is the vast array of data sources at your disposal. From Windows Event Tracing logs to Azure and Office 365 Data Protection Analyzer reports to Azure Sentinel Log Analytics views, this tool ensures you are not leaving any stone unturned. However, to harness this ocean of data, you'll need a skilled navigator, and that's where crafting insightful queries comes into play. Building a query intelligence-rich SOC means understanding the language of Microsoft Sentinel, the Sentinel query language. It's like your native tongue within this environment, and with it, you can ask powerful questions, filter information through precision, and identify insights that keep your organization one step ahead. Here's a real-life situation in mind. Imagine you are monitoring for abnormal patterns in access to sensitive data within your organization. By querying Microsoft Sentinel, you might sift through logs to detect discrepancies in user activities, a crucial task in identifying potential breaches early on. But why stop at data querying? Visualization transforms dry numbers into digestible intelligence. Microsoft Sentinel boasts a suite of self-service intelligence dashboards, which when wielded by knowledgeable security analysts, can paint a vivid picture of potential threats and vulnerabilities across your domain. Imagine watching the security landscape evolve before your eyes, with anomaly detection, playbooks executing on suspicious activities, and that's just the beginning. Monitoring, my friend, is where patience meets wisdom. Microsoft Sentinel's Intelligence Hub empowers you to continuously view a unified pane of activity within your enterprise, monitoring ongoing threats and assessing the effectiveness of your controls. As your SOC guardian, it's like reading the pulse of your organization's security posture, detecting a potential scare here, a possible loophole there, all in real time. Beyond the technical might, let's talk about implementing it within your SOC. The strategic value of Microsoft Sentinel shines when it aligns with your organization's security architecture and governance. It's not a plug-and-play tool, rather, it's a dynamic extension that adapts to the infrastructure, enhancing threat intelligence while enforcing your security policies effectively. Now, enterprise implementation is a dance of precision and collaboration. With Microsoft Sentinel, we orchestrate a symphony, inviting our security analysts, SOC team, and even third-party vendors to partake. This harmonious dialogue ensures holistic visibility and actionable intelligence, all while maintaining compliance and a continuous improvement loop. But what goes hand in hand with a robust query, visualization, and monitoring system? Troubleshooting and troubleshooting. Tools. Like a detective's trusty flashlight in the dark, these tools pierce through the murk, unveiling the root cause of security incidents and ensuring your SOC team can remedy the issues with speed and efficacy. As we conclude this chat on the power of data querying, visualization, and monitoring in Microsoft Sentinel, remember this isn't just about today but tomorrow and the security of the future. By mastering these skills, you don't just protect your organization, you set a benchmark in cybersecurity excellence. Now, go ahead and visit neerajdots.io and subscribe to TechLab. Embrace the journey of digital sovereignty. The future of corporate security is yours to shape. Stay tuned for my talk on mastering data querying, visualization, and monitoring in Microsoft Sentinel for enhanced security operations right here with TechLab, where it all starts.